This is the first problem I encountered with this little pocket rocket, is this pull start. When they tie this knot, they only loop it once, and that actually slipped right through the handle and went inside. So I took that off, I got it back out and pulled it through, and I tied another knot there so that won't slip through. But when you take this off, and I'll show you in a second, there's a spring on the bottom that's all coiled up inside, and you're gonna drive yourself nuts trying to get this small enough to fit down inside there. So I just ordered a couple new parts. Different companies make these. It's just a matter of the fit on 3 different locations for your screws. Those will be coming in the mail soon, and I'll take this off and we'll see which one fits. Hopefully they both do, and which one is better quality.